If the first thing you do each morning is eat a live frog, then you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you are done with the worst thing you'll have to do all day long.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ
And my question to you all is, have you eaten your frog today? As I have already. Hello everyone, I Gurpreet welcome you all to Elevate Knowledge. Don't get confused as today in this video we'll talk on Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy, a best-selling author and has served as trainer and consultant in more than 75 countries. For Brian Tracy, your frog is your biggest, most important task. The one you are most likely to procrastinate on. It is also the one task that can have the greatest and positive impact. Further, Brian Tracy says, if you have to eat 2 frogs, then eat the ugliest one first. That means start with the biggest, hardest, and most important task first. And if you have to eat a live frog at all, it doesn't pay to sit and look at it for long. That means if you have any unpleasant task and you have to finish it, don't keep thinking on it. Just do it first and make this a lifelong habit. You remember the story of the man who stops the musician on the street and asks how he can get to Carnegie Hall. And the musician replies, "Practice, man, practice." Practice is the key to mastering any skill. Our mind is like a muscle. It grows stronger and becomes more capable with use. Brian Tracy talks about 21 principles in the book and I'll be discussing few. The first one is set the table. Before you determine your frog and get on the job of eating it, you have to exactly decide what you want to exactly achieve in each area of your life, as clarity is essential. Write out your goals and objectives clearly before you begin. On number 2 is plan every day in advance. You have heard the old question, how do you eat an elephant? Answer is 1 bite at a time. How do you eat your ugliest, biggest frog? In the same way, you need to break down into specific step-by-step activities and then start with the first. Third is apply the 80-20 rule to everything. This principle says 20% of your activities will account to 80% of results. So prioritize. Zero down your 20% of activities and which will produce 80% of results. Complete the task without distraction, single-handedly, and get it done 100%. Which leads to next principle, and that is take it 1 oil barrel at a time. There is an old saying, by the yard it's hard, inch by inch anything's a cinch. That means 1 step at a time. Your job is to go as far as you can see. Then you will be able to see far enough to go further. You can accomplish your biggest and most complicated task if you take 1 step at a time, as multitasking these days is a bit overrated. With this, we come to our 5th principle, and that is upgrade key skills. Upgrading is the most important personal principle. Brian Tracy says, learn what you need to learn so that you can work in excellent fashion. The more knowledgeable you become at your key tasks, the faster you learn them and sooner you finish them. So make a decision to practice these principles every day to become a second nature to you. With these habits of personal management as a permanent part of your personality, your future success will be unlimited. I do recommend to read the book to get the entire feel of the book. And don't forget to comment down below the next book you want me to feature in upcoming videos. Till then, just do it. Eat that frog.